Here's an unexpected product from Tesla, the wireless charging platform. Of course, many made reference to Apple's failed attempt with the AirPower product. It's kind of, this, I don't know, you're not going to call it merch. It's accessories, Tesla accessories that, the expanding world of Tesla accessories that really don't have much to do with the cars. Mm-hmm. And it makes you wonder about long-term plans that they invest in this variety of products, consumer electronics. Elon had teased the idea of doing a smartphone, as we talked about on this show many times. Inspired by the angular design and metallic styling of the Cybertruck, wireless charging platform provides 15 watts of fast charging power per device for up to 3 devices simultaneously. Sounds a lot like AirPower. Mm-hmm. Its sleek design is composed of an aluminum housing, premium Alcantara surface, and detachable magnetic stand that allows you to lay the charger flat or at an angle for better viewing. Featuring free power technology, which charges your Qi-compatible devices, such as phones or earbuds, placed anywhere on the surface without alignment. I mean, you can see how many coils
30.
30 coils stacked. I mean, it was the thing that AirPower was aiming to do. They didn't do. And obviously, Tesla took a look at it like, we can do it. Although, one of the reasons Apple bailed, the suggestion is that it had to do with that cost, right? Cost and heat. So maybe they didn't want to launch it for $300. It's $300.
Yeah, this is an expensive product.
I don't know how many people want to have a $300 charger. However, this might be one of those ones where Tesla wants to prove, hey, you can make it. Look, we can make it. Apple didn't make it. We made it.
And Apple was with 16 coils?
I don't remember. I think there's a few different prototypes, actually.
But I don't think any of them were even close to 30. I think the highest one was like 24.
I can't remember. I think this thing probably has to have some fans in it. It's interesting they designed it with that little stand so airflow can go underneath at the angle. I know you can lay it flat, but I think a lot of people will keep it like this.
I kind of like it with the stand.
It's also thick. It's not like AirPower.
No. Of course, they took a totally different approach with it. But I got to admit, I don't mind the look of it, and I would totally use it. It's just the price, whether you think a lot of people are not going to go for $300. You get the wireless charge platform, a USB-C cable integrated with the charger, 65-watt USB-C power adapter, and a magnetic detachable stand. Wireless charging platform will begin shipping February 2023. So they'll sell a few, but it's more for me. It's like, okay, I get it. It's a charge platform. For me, it's more, what is this focus on? Dabbling with consumer electronics.
Moving forward.
What's this a precursor
This is their second charger. They did a charger before this, a wireless charger.
Wireless or wired?
Wireless, the magnetic.
Go to charging, click on charging there, Whip. Oh, this is actually car charging.
Go to
what is it, lifestyle?
It
must be in lifestyle, wherever you were.
Now scroll down. Whoa, what is this glass?
Sipping glasses for your, what was it, tequila that they sold at one time?
Oh, yeah, it must be that.
They have the leather backpack, the mug.
Whoa, that mug is cool.
The plaid one?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's cool.
That is cool.
This is basically merch, more or less. They have the die cast.
Wireless portable charger, too.
Yeah, that's a little battery bank.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, I remember that one. It's out of stock. Sometimes this stuff, they make it and they do a single run, or it's seemingly out of stock afterwards. Like I got the
whistle.
I bought the whistle, when it first came out.
Oh my God, another charger. So this is their third attempt.
Yeah, but these ones are more novelty.
Yeah.
And they're more car-like. Like this one goes with your die-cast Tesla on your desk, and it actually looks like a supercharger. The other one you can bring it with you in your car. You can get the color to match your car. The latest one is going nowhere near your car.
No.
It looks like a legit consumer electronics device.
Yeah, I'd actually get it.
You see what I'm saying? You would pay $300 though? Yeah, I don't know.
Actually, no, I won't. I would like it, but I wouldn't pay that much money.
Right.
Because you can get
Anchor
products.
Anchor makes it's way cheaper version of it. Anyway, it's Tesla. People will take it. People will get it.